Everything about camera. Everything about camera. That boy, yeah, spray back for him. I got to reach him. Fucker. Yeah. I got to reach him. Chef guy, right back there. How are you doing? Calm down, Dale. Move. I don't need video. Spray me into something. She's been a catcher. Spray me. Watch out, don't move. I catch everything. Everything. Yo, you know everything. Everything. Don't stop you. Everything now, you fucking wicked. Can't go fast. You. Oh, that's what kill me. I'm not afraid of God. 16530, the boy was screaming. That's his number. 16530. I got your number. Remember me. I should have known right now. I got your number. No, watch out. Yeah, watch out.
All right. Let me say this to this first. Mr. Chin, big up yourself, because I respect that way you do. If you defend a black man, you see me I say, and you're Chinese. Now, policeman work hard, you know. And you don't know down a Kingston stay. Because a Kingston, you see it? Now, that police are goodly spot that man here and well want arrest him long time. And goodly half of him. That's a goodly. Or in here saying do something. Now, Mr. Chin come and pop out for him phone and decide say, a smaddy. You know, like smaddy else or something wrong and Ray. Come and make call. And that's why me somebody say I must hear the police then here sitting and Mr. Chin there. Defend him. But what really burn the police is that through Mr. Chin defend him now is like him a milk it because me not gonna lie, if I did me and certain things like that happen to me, trust me, me that work with you, Mr. China go on with. Then I get you want get way. You want get way, no? And that's why the policeman so angry. Because no matter what law still, you know, so people, please don't break the law. No matter what, try not to break the law. Alright? Anyways, if you need to know what's going on in and around Jamaica, you know, you need to arrest a subscribe button. Click it. You know, pepper spray too. You know, my name is Skilla, and this has been Skilla's Entertainment.